guys, happy to see you back to another video. Today I'm in Milimani, Kisumu, third largest city in Kenya. I'm here to share with you or to show you a property which is on sale, a 3-bedroom house with 1 bath, 2 toilets, a DSQ, and parking lot for 2 cars. The house sitting on a 0.0465 acres, about 190 square meters, going for 23 million Kenya shillings. That's about 180,000 USD. Let me show you how the property looks like. It's the 3-bedroom house, and also take you around the neighborhood, show you your neighbors, and see if you like it. And if you like it, just DM me on the number below. That number. I will connect you with the owner so that you people can agree on how to purchase this one of the most prime land here in Kisumu. That is Milimani. Milimani is just within the central business district of Kisumu city. So when you are staying in Milimani, then you are staying within the city center of Milimani. So this is how this place looks like. This is your neighbors. All these are your neighbors. And also beside the property we have another house here which is not on sale anyway. So this is the house, this is the property, the 3-bedroom house. And by the way guys, sorry, I had to show you, I wanted to take you around the entire house, but owner is not around. He traveled somewhere and is going to come back late. So maybe if you are interested, you will know more about the property, including legal information about the property. But meanwhile, right now, this is how this house looks like. So we have a beautiful gate here, black one, and also a very beautiful strong wall. Yes, you see. And inside, I want to show you a little bit of inside. What is happening inside. This is how the inside looks like. I mean, within the compound, you see. This is how the compound looks like, you see. So this is a property which is on sale. So if you are interested, just DM me on that number so that we can connect you with the owner. You get to own this beautiful house. So the owner is not around for now. I wish I could have shown you inside, but the owner is not around. So I'll come back here later and give you a full tour of how the house looks like inside. But meanwhile, this house, the place looks like. You know, these are your neighbors. So it is just within Milimani. You see, it is just within Milimani. These are your neighbors. These are your neighbors. So the property is just within Milimani, and Milimani is within Kisumu city. That is town center, city center. That is city center. So it's such a beautiful house, and also sitting on a very prime land. Yeah, very prime land, Milimani. So you just DM me if you're interested. You know, so many of you have asked me if I can get properties which are on sale, and today I've decided to hook you up with this one. Only 190,000 USD, about 23 million Kenya shilling, which is also negotiable. And you get this beautiful 3-bedroom house with DSQ, parking lot for 2 cars, and also 2 toilets, 1 bath. Yeah, such a beautiful house. So just DM me. Let me show you your neighbors, the entire neighborhood, a little bit of it. The moment you are interested, just DM me. We have full information. There's a ready title deed. I'll be sending you title deed. We have ready title deed. So this is how this place looks like. So if you want more information about the house, just DM me. This is how this place looks like. is your neighbors. So I'm in Milimani. So beautiful neighborhood indeed. Very beautiful. Such a beautiful place. So the house is on sale, 3-bedroom house. If you're interested, DM me on that number. I'll connect you with the owner, and you will be dealing with the owner direct, the owner of the property. There's nothing like middlemen, brokers. Yeah, actually I'll show you the entire neighborhood so that you know where the house is. If you're comfortable with it, I'll be connecting you with the owner directly. There's nothing like a broker here. I'm not a broker, so I'll just connect you directly with the owner. And there's ready title deed, and also every legal information that you want, you will be getting them. So these are very beautiful house sitting on a very prime land here in Milimani, just within central business district of Kisumu. Milimani is just within the city center of Kisumu. So if you're staying here, you're staying within the city center of Kisumu. And again, one thing you need to know about Milimani is that it is a very good place for business, like Airbnb business and offices. You can turn it into office, or you can rent it, put it on a rental. Yeah, anyway, the way you want it. I wish the owner is around, because I've tried reaching him and he's not around, so I can't wait for him because I'm also busy. So, but I'll connect with the owner, because I wanted to give you a full tour of the entire house, so you can depend on those photos that I've shared with you. Yeah, so this is part of Milimani. So behind this house, we have the house. I know some of you will say that the house is within Lower Milimani. No, it is not within Lower Milimani. It is just within Upper Milimani. Yeah, because Lower Milimani is far away from city center. So you see, yeah, such a beautiful place. Security wise, it is so protected. So for those who have been asking me, Huko Africa, kindly share with us some of the properties which are being sold here in Kisumu and any part of Kenya. Now I've shared with you that beautiful 3-bedroom house here in Kisumu. More information, just DM me, then I'll connect with the owner. You deal with him directly. And we have Melvic Hotel on the other side, and we also have Jumbo apartment. So that's all about today. I just want to share with you that information, and that's all I had for you today. So see you in the next video. This is Huko Africa. Peace out.